It's Fresh Cash Friday, my friends. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? We are live for another Fresh Cash Friday. I'd love to know how many Fresh Cash Fridays we've enjoyed here on the stream together. I want to know how many Fresh Cash Fridays have we had? A lot. There's been a lot. There's been a lot of those Fresh Cash Fridays. Good morning, good morning. For all the people that are just now tuning in, good morning. Got a little surprise for you here. Where y'all at? Where y'all at right now? All right, we're doing a Apex Rhythmic account giveaway today. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 accounts to give away. That's right, 10 accounts. I'm going to drop a code in the chat right now for all the people that tune in at 9 a.m. First person to use it. There's a code for an Apex Rhythmic account right there. Go, go, go. Someone's going to get it. It's only good for one person. Code in the chat. Who's going to be the first person to cash it in? Well, that's right. What a wild move here overnight. Interesting move here overnight, huh? Look at this thing. Big sell-off. The London market. Little, like, look at that. Like, perfectly double topping overnight. And just dumping when the London market opened. Down there to the 19,771s. The low of day yesterday. So kind of like a triple bottom down there. This is a big old range for an overnight move. 200 points here overnight. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. That's going to be fun. Going to be a fun day. Going to be a fun day there, boys. Right now, looking at the book map here. Market is volatile today. We're up, we're down 20 points here and there. Right now on the book map, we got a bunch of liquidity at 20,000. And then not much liquidity to the downside. Most of the liquidity today, 20,000, 20,100. So, lordy, lordy. Liquidity 19,968 up there as well. So what does that mean? Right now the market pulling back here, 9 a.m. Fresh Cash Friday. You can see the overnight move here on the hourly chart. Look at that thing. Don't know what to think. I don't know what to think right now. Got the VWAP down there, 19,885s. We know there's resistance up there at that 19,978 level. We bounced really strong there yesterday. We bounced really strong off that level, so don't know. This 19,757, 19,800 level has been some support. Back there in June, we bounced off that level multiple times. Now we're here again. 19,900 right now area. The VWAP, some support there at the whole number. Market pulling back right now. We had this overnight move overnight move pushing us back up there on the hourly chart. You can see here on the 15-minute chart as well. So if we get below the VWAP, we can't hold the VWAP support. Well, then guess what? It's downtown, 19,700. If you guys were watching the stream yesterday, look at that move down there to the 19,770 pivot point on the NASDAQ yesterday from the 20,000s all the way down there, 300-point move after breaking the 15-minute opening range. If you guys watched, if you saw the 15-minute opening range yesterday, look at that move down. Oh, lordy, lordy. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Look at that thing. Look at that. Would you just look at it? And what's interesting, too, is it really gave you two opportunities to kind of play into that 15-minute range there. We broke to the downside there and moved down 100 points, pushed back up, hit that range again, and then moved down about 300 points. So the opening range, 15-minute opening range, paying the bills. Paying the bills. Lordy, lordy. All right, right now the NASDAQ bouncing off that trend line. We got this trend line. We looked at it there. We saw the hourly chart trying to hold up for now. We got the VWAP down there, 19,880s. So you personally think that the 5-minute range is better? Well, it played out yesterday as well. 5-minute range there. 5-minute opening range, I guess, played out both ways there. So 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute, whatever, however you want to play it. That's the best part about this channel, baby. You can decide. Welcome to America. Patrick Wieland, land of the free. We got the flag representing America, baby. You could do it however you want. You could do it however you want. Patrick, do you have any plans for your birthday today? Is it my birthday today? Is it my birthday? I didn't know it was my birthday. I didn't know it was my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. No, my birthday is next month on the 28th. Who else caught the power hour move yesterday? I caught it. Power hour. Somebody told me to retire my shirt. Why don't you go retire your face? Go retire your face. I don't want to see it, but I do want to see this shirt. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, all right. Interesting. I don't know about this overnight move here, man. Overnight move. Big range overnight. What is that gonna mean for us today here? Patrick, what are the wood planks for? I was using it for the simulator, for the driving simulator over there to raise up the chair, the old one, but I got a new one now, so don't you worry. How do you win the evaluations? Just keep on staying tuned, baby. We just gave one away. You never know. I might just drop one right in the chat. We got 10 Apex evaluations to give away today. That's right. We got 10. If we get 500 likes here on the stream, I'll drop another code in the chat. 500 likes. Get the party started. Indicator book recommendation. I would not be reading a book. No, I would not be reading a book about indicators. Any fishing videos from Hawaii? We're working on it. Working on some new videos. Got some new stuff coming. Stay tuned. The code doesn't work. Yeah, it's only good for one person. Do you recommend some books? I recommend the new Patrick Wieland book that's coming out. That's right, Patrick Wieland. Trading for Your Future. Written. What size are the evals? They're any size rhythmic. Any size rhythmic account. Did you catch anything good to eat in Hawaii? We caught a wahoo, but we didn't eat it. Break that line, then hit the VWAP, possibly. We got the overnight trend right now. We had this big move down, and then that push back up there to that pivot point at the 940s. So, pretty much, I don't know. Sheesh. Sheesh. That hourly chart just... don't look too I don't know. I just don't know. Trying to think here. Thinking out loud here. We know the VWAP's down there, so no real reason to do anything until we get below the VWAP. We want to get... if we were to get below the VWAP and start selling off, then we're kind of looking at that overnight low, yesterday's low down there at the 750s. So that's kind of what I'd be looking at here. Look at the QQQ. QQQ's got a gap down here. This level. Got a gap to the upside, but we got this gap down here as well, so... I don't know. Looking at this chart right now, it looks like it wants more to the downside. You can see a lot of selling these last 2 days. A lot of volume coming in there. A lot of sell. So, trying to look at where we see big sell volumes come through. The pattern continues. Do we get a reversal after two sells on the daily? I don't know. The QQQ about 10 points away from that big gap from previous gap up. So we'll see what happens here. Just being patient, play it smart. We don't really need to know exactly what's going to happen. We just need to be ready for action, baby. We know that there's resistance up here. That pivot point, 960s. There's resistance at the 980s. If we get above that level, well, then you're looking at, 20,000. Trying to push back up to the top there. We got the VWAP down here, 19,886s. So, I'm kind of just waiting. Just waiting here. See how this plays out. Hourly chart right now. Going into open. We got about 15 minutes till the market opens. It is Fresh Cash Friday. We've got 10 Apex accounts to give away. So if you guys haven't hit that like button, go ahead and hit it. We'll blow it up. We'll throw some more accounts in the chat. I need 500 likes to get this party started. 500 likes, get the party started. Man, if you had just listened to ICT, you know what the market is going to do. If only. If only I listened to ICT, everything would be so much easier. I would also have bad health. I would also have health problems and get dizzy when I was trading if I was an ICT trader. ICT posted on YouTube saying that he's been having health problems. He went to the doctor. Everything checked out fine, but he feels dizzy. I think it's the fact that he has realized that there's no way in fucking hell he's gonna make 11,000% return this year. That's why he's getting dizzy. He's got to pay me $500,000. I'd be dizzy too. If ICT was on top of the leaderboard right now and I was gonna have to pay him $500,000, I'd be fucking dizzy. I'd be fucking lightheaded and dizzy as well. All right, just holding up here for now. VWAP down there, 19,880s. Everything's telling me that this is not looking hot right now. That we should expect some, I would expect some bearish price action here today, but I've been surprised before, right? I've been surprised before. So let's just see how all this plays out with the VWAP. That we got lots of downside potential. If we get through the VWAP there, we start moving down. The overnight low down there, 750. Pivot point at the 720s. Plenty of room to make money. Easy trades are coming, baby. What's the easy trades? He's the trade. Donnie Young, can you give me an account? I think you've bought, oh, seems like a lot. We get 500 likes, I'll drop another code in the chat for an Apex Eval. Apex Eval going into open here. We got a little under 14 minutes. Right now, the 15-minute chart, we got the VWAP down there. We've got this overnight move. We had a big move down to yesterday's low overnight and popped it right back up. The market popping back up here pre-market. I guess there was a bunch of news about stuff having problems or with Microsoft or CrowdStrike or there was internet outages. Internet outages. Rhythmic Apex accounts. If you don't know what Rhythmic is, it might be time to just stop trading. Anthony, where do you claim it? On Apex's website. All right, this 900 level going sideways. I think very high chance that we see the VWAP here. Very high chance of seeing the VWAP from here. That 19,900 level, key level, we get through there and it is downtown to that VWAP real quickly. Got 11 minutes till market opens here. Bow, 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 bow. Testing that 900 level. Testing, testing. Mic check, mic check. Mic check 1, mic check 2. Checky, checky, checky. We got 10 minutes here till the market opens up. 10 minutes. Looking to see what happens with this 900 level. We got that VWAP down there, 890s. 890s for the VWAP here on the NASDAQ for now. Kind of like the biggest block of liquidity right now. The biggest amount of liquidity that's closest to the price action is 968s up there. So we'll see if the bears get squeezed here at open. That's kind of like that overnight high up there. Overnight high up at the 970s or so. The ES, the NASDAQ, both trying to push back up here. That overnight move, big overnight move down and then getting back up there. I don't know if that's because of the internet problems for Microsoft or whatever, but we'll see how it plays out. Being patient. It's Fresh Cash Friday. No rush. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. Don't go chasing waterfalls. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Don't go chasing waterfalls, my friends. Get 500 likes on the stream. I'll drop an Apex Eval code in the chat. Let me know. Let me know. Six minutes till market opens here. Wowzers. Going right to the VWAP there. There's the move down to the VWAP now. Market opened early, 5 minutes early, I guess. Market opened 5 minutes early. Ugh. Just need 40 more likes and I'm dropping the Apex Eval in the chat. Look at that move down there to the VWAP now. Lordy, lordy. Why'd that have to do it right now? Come on. Why? Oh, come on. What is this? That's what I wanted to see happen at open, not right now. Oh, God. All right. NASDAQ going into open here below the VWAP right now. Will we just continue straight down? The $1 million question. We got that overnight low down there, 750s. That's also the previous day low down there, 750 area, 760s. If you're looking for a short target, I think you can pretty much target that low down there, right? All right, here we go. We got 3 minutes. We're right there below the VWAP now, looking weak here. Will we sell? The second code for an Apex Rhythmic account evaluation is in the chat. We hit 500 likes. Anthony, do you need to buy an eval? You got to sign up. You're probably not going to get the account, so don't worry about it, Anthony. Just give up now, because people in the chat are going to be a lot faster than you are. So there is literally zero chance of you winning. Sorry. If you're asking questions about how to sign up, you're probably not going to ever win it. All right, looking to see if the NASDAQ's just going to waterfall straight down here at open. If we can't hold there at the VWAP, it's downtown real quick. Real quick like. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. If the coupon doesn't work, it means somebody already used it. So there'll be more. I got 10 to give away today. We got 8 more to go. Stay tuned. All right, NASDAQ getting ready for the open here. Less than a minute. Cannot hold up at the VWAP. Oh, Lordy. Was hoping for that VWAP bounce here before open. Get a little bit of strength, but the market right now just right through the VWAP there for now. Let's see what happens here. 30 seconds till market opens. Will this be a big fake out and squeeze it back up? Well, let's see. We got the overnight low down there at the 760s, so big move down possible here today. All right, NASDAQ opening up here. Holding up at the 68th for now. Down there. Right now, looking weak down here, but we need some more structure. It's hard to get short right here, even though it's going straight down. That was the move right here off the 90s before market open, but would have liked to seen that happen after the market opened here. NASDAQ just having trouble. So you get a little pushback up here, get stuck, maybe another bear flag on the smaller time frames. Tap that VWAP again would be nice. And again, just back down there. Give it some time here. Let this price action figure out where it wants to go. No rush. Still got the VWAP up there, the 880s, I think would be a good spot if we get stuck there to see if we can kind of put in a lower high here. Let the market tell me when it's time to short, and let the market tell me when it's time to buy, baby. No guessing, no hoping, no praying. All right, there's that push up back to the VWAP now. Straight back up there. Oh, lordy. Wow. She wants 920s looking like. 920, big old block sitting there, 920s. A lot of liquidity there at the 920s for now. Bunch of liquidity up there at the 920s. Trying to get up there. Got the VWAP down there, 87s here. Sellers pushing it back down here. Need to stay above that VWAP, that 90 level here for the bulls. There it is, back above the 90s, back above the VWAP. Can we get one more little squeeze out of it? All that 920, 915 liquidity to the upside up there, so. We're going to see if we can get up through that 30 area there next. There we go, through the 30s now. Absolutely beautiful. 33s. That pivot point there, the 940s there. Woo! All right, we're at that pivot point here, 940s. We got that overnight high all the way up there, the 978. So that 925 liquidity, too strong, getting the move there. She still wants more. $75's coming up there. Lordy. Got this pivot point back there, the 940s. Need to bounce off of. Back into the 940s here. 930s. Bunch of liquidity down there at the 25s again. 25s again. There's that 25 liquidity down there. Now he's got to be patient. Let another setup form up here. A lot of volatility right now, my friends. Back to the VWAP we head. Going back to the VWAP here. VWAP tapped. 15-minute opening range. Pat, your eyes are so dark. Oh no. Ugh. All right, here we are at the VWAP now. All right, waiting to see what happens here now. Looking weak. Looking weak. 15-minute chart. I knew that overnight range, that big, massive overnight range, was going to lead to some choppy volatility here at open. The dollar right now pulling back. The NASDAQ, the ES pulling back. So if we lose that 15-minute support, now the VWAP turning into resistance here for now. If you guys haven't hit that like button, do me a favor, hit that like button. On the day right now, we're up $2,000 in multiple PA accounts here. Also another 10,000 in take profit trader. The move this morning was that opening move back above the 90s. Getting back above the 90s there at open for that squeeze up there to the overnight high. can see the trade here. That first candle, the buy, selling into that push. I tried to keep a runner going, but it's got stopped out on that pullback there, back below the pivot point for now. So just sitting back, waiting and watching for the next opportunity. All right, back above the VWAP again here. Look at that rip off the VWAP. Back up here again, straight up. This insane action right now. From the 900s back up there to the 40s on that 2-minute candle. Got to get through that 940 level. Looking for a long opportunity here, just being patient. See if we get a little bit, another pullback, put in a higher low in this 900 level. I want to see that 900 area act as support. Still kind of holding up here. Could start ripping one more time through that 40 level. They're holding the 20s for now. VWAP just sitting down there. You know that VWAP love to get touched. VWAP. If we get 700 likes here on the stream, I'll drop another code in the chat, another eval. I got 7 more accounts to give away today. Let me know if you want to win. It's free to enter. Just hit that like button. Holding up there at the pivot again. Or at the VWAP again there. This should be the bounce here. Just want this candle to stay above 900. You gotta start ramping it right through there. Yes, yes, yes. Ramping it. Get through that 40 area. 940 pivot point there. Got to get through, obviously. But after that, try to take out that highs from earlier. We bounced perfectly there off the VWAP for now. Yes, yes. Very nice, very nice. Take out the 40s here. Should rocket higher. A little bit of trouble there at the 30s again. Choppy chop. There's an Apex code in the chat for any size rhythmic account. Apex code in the chat. Go, go, go. Market double top in there. Back to the VWAP again. Not looking too good for the bulls. If they can't hold up here, they've got to bounce it right back up with some strength. Any type of weakness here is downtown real quick. Losing the VWAP back down, testing that 60, 70 area again. Right now, looking at the 2-minute chart. The dollar ripping higher right now. I think NASDAQ will try to break that 15-minute range at some point here. Trouble the 70s here. Got the 15-minute range down there, 36s. I don't see how we don't break that level here. Market trying to break out of this 15-minute range. Lose this 50 area. We should just dump on down. Still holding up there at the 50s. Holding on the 50s for now. All right, just the range continues here. Back above the VWAP again. Got some buyers trying to step in here. They got to get it away from the VWAP at the 900s on the book map right now. The buyer sitting there. 55 contracts right above 900. Can he take it higher? Buyer stepping up there again. Bulls need to show some commitment here. Buyers again stepping in there. No commitment. The chop continues here. Pretty much that 920 to 940 area resistance now. Buyers got to commit to getting through there. We're just going to chop it back or down here. Right now, holding up there above the VWAP. Can the Bulls make a move? Again, stuck there below the 20s. Dollar selling off here. NASDAQ just holding above the 900s for now. We still have not broken out of the 15-minute range. Very much in the middle of the 15-minute range here. Will we get some push off the VWAP now? Everything very tight. The ES, the Dow, the NASDAQ going nowhere right now. And the NASDAQ straight down there again. $36 is the low here. You can see the 15-minute range right now still playing out. We've got the low from overnight down there at the 750s, and that was the low from yesterday. So and again, right back up there. Can we get something to happen? Every little pop, we're right back up there. Or every little drop, right back up, popping it, dropping it. This market has no idea where it wants to go. Back up to the VWAP again here on the NASDAQ. Maybe now we go higher. After going down. Getting them every direction right now. The market here. This is what happens when you have that big overnight range. You just get this chop fest. We get 1,000 likes here on the stream. I'll drop the code, the next Apex code. Right now, we're sitting at 2,600 across the board. Just some little scalps here and there. Just a little scalpy scalps here and there. Again, 19,900 holding us down. Lower highs, lower lows being put in. It does look very bearish, like it wants to break this 15-minute range. If we break this 15-minute range, I think we got a pretty good chance of moving down there to the low pivot point down there. Pivot point at the 19,700, that low of the overnight low, 755s, which is also yesterday's low. So you can see right now clearly working our way down here. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. Should get a break out of here. Should get a break out of here at some point. What about breaking to the upside? Maybe. I don't know, man. This thing's wild. Somebody said they didn't make a new lower low. You're right. We have not. Kind of these little lower lows, but still holding that 15-minute low. Maybe it's a trap. Maybe it's a fucking trap. That's what it is. It's a trap. Somebody's green and they got a free account. Wow. Look at that. Winning with Patrick Wieland, baby. All right. Will the NASDAQ finally break the 15-minute opening range? It's got to do it. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. They are in love with that 50 level. Fucking A. It's like the longs are trying to step in here once again. Off this low for like the third or fourth time. Here comes the dump. It's gonna do it. It's gonna dump. Sellers got, the buyers got defeated right there on that little pushback up. It should dump through the 50s now. Let's see. Nope. They are just buying the dip down here. I'd be very surprised if 50 doesn't break. I'd be very surprised. Fuck, I'm surprised. Again. This wants to dump so badly. So badly it wants to go down. Just break the 50s already. Back to the 50s one more time. Lordy, lordy. How are they absorbing this? There you go. 50 breaking. 50 breaking. That's how we go. I told you. I told you it was gonna break. Down there into the 30s. Patrick. The chat laughing at me. You thought you were fucking funny, didn't you? You thought you were fucking funny. I told you 50 was gonna break. I told you. I told you. Yes, we shorted. But Patrick, you never tell us what to do. Even when people in the chat start laughing at me, they start laughing. Patrick, it's gonna go up. 50's not gonna break. They said, Patrick, it's gonna go up. Yes. 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 19,800. 30 contracts sitting down there. It didn't really dump, Pat. Hey, all I said was 50 was gonna break, all right? I didn't say nothing about nothing. I just simply said that 50 was going to break, that I would be very surprised if 50 didn't break. Did 50 break? It broke, okay? So everybody in the chat who's like, but it didn't dump. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Where is it at right now? 800. 800. God. We get 1,000 likes here on the stream. We'll do another giveaway. Another giveaway. I made too much fucking money today. Too much money. I'm drunk off all the money that I made. I'm going to YOLO tonight, baby. I'm going to YOLO tonight. I'm gonna be popping the bottles. Daddy's rich. Ha ha. I made too much money. I gotta stop making so much fucking money, man. All right, for the next giveaway, very simple. Head on over there to Twitter. Leave a comment on Twitter. We'll pick a winner. Did you sell? Yes. Yes, I said, guys, I said I would be very surprised if the market doesn't go through 50. But you still don't believe me. You still don't believe me. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. And you know how we doing it. You know how we're doing it over here. You know how we're doing it. Let's go, Billy. Pat, you don't show any of your trades. Here's the problem, guys. Let me tell you something. I can't show my trades because I'm just that good. You know, if everybody copied me, it would bankrupt all of the prop firms and then nobody would get paid. So I can't be giving away all the secrets. All right? I don't want to I can't bankrupt everybody. You know? I can't be responsible for that. I can't be responsible for that. Hey. 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 I'll be so pretty. We need 1,000 fucking likes here on the stream or I'm gonna turn it off. I'll turn it off. Say I won't. Say I won't turn it off. I don't know. I mean, at the end of the day, sure, maybe I don't fucking tell you exactly when to buy and sell, but I did say very clearly that I'd be very surprised if 50 doesn't break. I talked about how the sellers came in there, how the buyers got defeated. You know, it's the market's now down 70 points since then. We talked about this exact setup right here. Oh lordy. The big news right now, I guess, FBI assistant director accused in Trump assassination attempt. Oh Lord. Fucking Twitter right now is just, it's nothing but Trump talk. Biden's so fucked. The Democrats are so fucked. The Democrats are so fucked. Like, I have no idea what they can even do at this point other than try to assassinate Trump again. I'm definitely going to get banned from YouTube after saying that. I don't believe that, but I'm just saying. Like, I really don't know how they're going to beat Trump. Like, if they swap out Biden for Harris, like, there's no way that Kamala Harris is going to beat Trump. There's no politician out there that can beat Trump, I think, at this point. You know? And I'm not even trying to get all political, but I mean, it's just, at this point, it's just like, not really much you can do. You know? If I was a Democrat, I would just be like, I'd be very quiet and I would just be like, well, I guess we're gonna have to deal with 4 years. Because they're just like, what are they got no options at this point. They're screwed. Like who could they put up there? You know? At this point, if Biden steps down, like how do you replace him, you know? All right, we are looking at the winners here. Who's going to be the winner? Let's see. I'm going to give away 2 codes here. We got some comments on Twitter. Someone said, I love you, Big Daddy. I make more money when you live stream, motherfucker. Damn, that's a pretty good name. That's pretty good. I like that. I like that comment. I think he's gonna win. Jack George, I love you, Big Daddy. I make more money when you live stream, motherfucker. That's a pretty good comment, to be honest. I'm definitely we're gonna have to message this guy. I'm gonna send him a message here. Oh, fuck. All right. No, I can't show all my messages on Twitter. All right, so the first code is gonna go to Jack George here. Jack George coming through with the best comment, motherfucker. One Rhythmic account. I sent you a message there on Twitter with your code for Jack George. The second code of the day is gonna be, who's that gonna be? Let's see. Not that. Let's see. What we got? Let's go Liquidated Fishing. I like that one, but maybe not. This guy's already killing it. He don't need no money. Nick Moore, Jesus loves you. Pretty good. What we got? Who got something good? This guy correcting my grammar. Oh no, bro. Definitely not gonna win with correcting my grammar. Definitely not gonna win. Who else? Chow Foon. I think he's Hawaiian. Chow Foon. I don't know, but his whole thing's about, looks kind of scammy. I don't know about Chow Foon. Who's this guy? I feel like sometimes you look at people's Instagram, Twitter accounts, and they're nothing but like giveaways. I want to give it away to someone real. I want to give it to someone real here. Let's see. Who do we got? Miss Health Freak. Miss Health Freak. Can't tell. Shit. You are the king. I mean, that's pretty good. That's who's gonna be the winner. We got a winner, Miss Health Freak. We got some more codes to give away. Don't worry. If you're still hanging out right now, we got a code there in the chat. One Apex Rhythmic, a code in the chat. Winner, chicken dinner. Who wants it? We got 3 more codes to go. We need 1,000 likes here on the stream. NASDAQ just continuing to chop, baby. It's a chop city. But the beautiful part is we broke through the 15-minute range and moved down there to the 781s for a nice and easy, 50 points? 50 points, 50-minute range break to the downside. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, 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 hey. They did it. I mean, I just don't. I feel like we're gonna have to see that. We're gonna see that low, the overnight low, 750s. That pivot point down there, 717s. Problem is, is it gonna chop around and be shitty until then? So. $1 million question, I guess. If I wasn't already up $30,000 on the day, I would probably, be looking for another opportunity here, but this is just dog poopy. Dog poop. Look at that. What is that? Pop, drop, pop, drop. The link for the playlist is in the chat. The great part is pretty much now, as long as we stay below this 19,000 kind of 840 level, I think we do move down. The problem is just timing it. All right, I got the next giveaway for the next code for Apex giveaway. There's a link in the chat for a YouTube video on my fishing YouTube channel. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button over there, go check out the video. Leave a comment down below on the video. Look at this move down here. 775's coming up. Woo! 775's get right through there. Like I said, pretty confident this is going to make a move down here today, but it should take that 750 area at some point. Problem is, this price action down here has just been god-awful. So. You call the overnight low at 10 a.m. Wow. You called it? What you talking about? What you talking about? This market just very just not committed to easily moving down here. What is this? What is this? Look at the 5-minute chart. ugly. Very ugly price action here. What, you have a engulfing bullish candle, engulfing bearish candle, maybe another engulfing bullish candle. What is this shit? What is this shit, man? Friday, Chop Chop City. You know what time it might be? It might be time for Chipotle. You know what I mean? Might be some time for Chipotle. Give me some Chipotle. All right, we're going to pick the winner of the Apex account from the comments on YouTube. Let's see who's going to win. Josh Myers Music. Congratulations, Josh Myers Music. Send me a screenshot of you editing the comment on YouTube to patrick@marketflowtrader.com, and I will send you a code. Congratulations to Josh. And look at that, the NASDAQ continuing the chop fest. So I'm happy that I stayed out of the trade down there. Happy about that. We're happy about that, right? Let's be happy about that. Sometimes you gotta know when to hold them, and sometimes you gotta know when to fold them, if you know what I mean. Right? You know what I mean? Sometimes you just gotta know when to hold them and when to fold them, my friends. I got one more code to give away here. One more. Who wants it? Who wants it? We need 1,000 likes here on the stream. All right, all right. The code is in the chat. You better hurry up. Rhythmic, any size account. Good luck. Just way too much range. The overnight, just too much range on the overnight. And the market just causing a lot of choppy action. We're holding up down here at the lows for now. So... So on the day right now, we're up $3,000 in the Apex funded accounts here. And anybody that's going to ask about the consistency rule, the big thing about the consistency rule is being consistent, right? So in the last 10 days, I've had an $1,800 day, a $2,500 day, a $900 day, and then now a $3,000 day. So it's all about just being consistent in general. If you're gonna make big profits, you got to be consistently making big profits. You just can't make $3,000 in one day and then go ask for a payout. So that's $3,000 per account. trading 1 or 2 contracts. So the NASDAQ 19,800. On the PA account on Apex, do you got to make a certain amount before the withdrawal? There is a level, or I guess, or whatever, a profit target for every different account. This is TradingView. I trade on Trade8, and I use TradingView for my charts. NASDAQ looks like it wants to squeeze up here, but I ain't touching it. I don't like it. Got the VWAP up there, 876s. There's a bunch of liquidity sitting at the 35s there. This looks like it wants to at least trap above this 30 level. There's the trap. Let's see if they dump it back down now. The PA accounts that I have are 50Ks. Do you have a video that goes through your strategy? Yes, lots of videos on the. I have thousands of videos on my YouTube channel. For anybody that's wondering, 1,000 videos or more. I did a little webinar the other day. This video right here talks a lot about momentum strategy. Go spend some time. I'm also working on a new day trading course, video series, master class, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna sell it for a shit ton of money and then discount it. It's gonna be great. But yeah, I got some big stuff coming. No real trader makes courses. Well, good thing I'm not a real trader. Good thing I'm just a YouTuber. Hey man, it's also supply and demand, you know? If there's enough people out there that are willing to buy it, I might as well sell it. So, yes, everybody that signed up for Market Flow Trader will get free access to it. To the new course. So lifetime access, you get lifetime everything. But yeah, I mean the whole thing of like people freaking out about the course thing, it's like, I don't know. It's gonna be $200, by the way, literally $200. So if you can't afford $200, you might as well just quit trading. What will be the main difference between that and MFT? Market Flow Trader is just kind of no longer in existence. But the new one will just be everything that'll be new to what I've learned in the last year and a half and everything. Patrick, what happened to the Market Flow Trader course? Nothing happened. We released it. Had a lot of people sign up. They enjoyed it. It was a great thing. And it was just time for something different. And that's all. So. Part of life. Growth. $200 one time. $200. I'm also live here on YouTube every day, so hey, if you don't want to buy the course, I'm not forcing anybody. I'm still here live on YouTube. All right, NASDAQ continuing to retest that 840 level, getting stuck right below 840 for now. And that's it. We gave away 10 Apex evaluations today. And now it's time to enjoy the weekend. Fresh Cash Friday. This market, just really a pain in the butt. Look at these 2-minute candles right now. Just not very sexy looking. So there it is. I'm gonna walk away up 30,000 on the day. And yeah. How did Kona treat you? Loved Kona. Yeah, we caught tons of marlin, had a great time. Hard to complain. I think she wants to go. VWAP up there at the 75s. Will it get there? What's your P&L? It's too much to even talk about. It's embarrassing. I don't want anybody to know how fucking rich I am. Don't tell anybody. It's a secret. Shh. 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 Don't. That Lambo, it's not real. It's fake. I bought it on Temu. I bought it on Temu. Would you look at that? Are we gonna hit the VWAP here? Sometimes I impress myself. You know, sometimes I literally impress myself. Is it true that an oil change is $1,200 for the Lambo? No, it's actually a lot more than that. They say to do like a 1-year service. I think the 1-year service is like $4,000 or $5,000. Same thing with the McLaren. You just do like every year. You do like once a year service. Because you don't really put enough miles to like do the every, 5,000, 3,000 mile service. So. Start the Lambo up. Start the Lambo. Well, would you just look at that? That little blue line, the VWAP getting touched. Well, there it is. The VWAP. The VWAP. Little blue line. All right. There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, Lordy. Going up to the VWAP. What's all the wood for? Well, you know, when I'm not live streaming, I work construction, you know, building houses and stuff on the weekend. Can't afford to pay my rent, so I gotta work a second job. I know it's hard. It's hard out there, man. It ain't easy out there, people. Dollar continuing to sell down. Nasdaq sitting right below the VWAP now, so we'll see what happens. But for now, I'm gonna walk away here. The ES is lagging. Nasdaq, the Dow trying to make a new low. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if this is magically starts to rip up. Hard to say. So either way, we're gonna walk away in the green and go enjoy the weekend. It's Friday, baby. Fresh Cash Friday. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We'll be here next week live on YouTube. Monday, Mega Money Mondays. I'll talk to you guys later on.